अच्छा बंद कर देते हैं, लेकिन ये गाना मेरा फेवरेट है। ये मेरी डेडिकेशन है आपको हमारी एनिवर्सरी पर। एक दिन हम भी थोड़े बहुत पैसे कमाएंगे और जिस दिन हमने वो थोड़े बहुत पैसे कमाए आपको एक जिमी चू का जूता या बैग जरूर लेकर देंगे। ये हमारी दिल से तमन्ना है आपके लिए।
But if you're talking about buying things for me, Angad, you've been buying things for me for very long, so thank you very much.
नहीं, जिमी चू नहीं लेकर दिया अभी तक।
Somebody's asking us why we have a split screen. It is very important. I did not see your name. So I'm very sorry. I did not see your name. The reason we have Angad गाना बंद कर दो, आवाज नहीं आ रही।
जे 5-7 गीत हिट हो गए नी, फिर बल्ले बल्ले हो जाऊगी, नी तेनू ले दूंगा स्कूटी बनी है, नी जेड़ी मिंटा च हो जाऊगी। This song is by Diljit Dosanjh, my brother, and I'm glad that he's playing in the background. I really miss him, and what better day than our anniversary? And that's about it. Okay, Google, stop. Stop नहीं हो रहा। Okay, Google, stop.
बेइज्जती।
रुको, stop करके आना।
Angad, why isn't Google listening to you?
Okay, Google, stop. गाना ही नहीं बंद हो रहा सी। Sorry.
Sophie is saying thank you so much for inviting us to the party. Sophie, this is your house. We don't need to invite you to this party. यही होता है. Somebody else, Angad, is also asking us that why are both of you sitting in separate rooms and why do you have a split screen? I want to tell them, if you're married, you'll know 2 साल के बाद ऐसे ही हो जाता है. First, earlier we used to be on the same side of the screen, but जब 2 साल शादी के हो जाते हैं तो split screen हो ही जाती है and it's absolutely fine.
जी नहीं, 2 साल के बाद ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है। ये हमारी मोहतरमा चाहती थी कि वो दूसरे कमरे में बैठे, तो हमने ये एक्सेप्ट मानी, वरना हम कभी उनका साथ नहीं छोड़ते। हम हमेशा उनके साथ रहते, उनका हाथ पकड़ के उनके साथ बैठते, लेकिन हमें ये मौका हमारी मोहतरमा ने नहीं दिया, तो इसलिए हम दूसरे कमरे में बैठे हैं और हम आप लोगों से लाइव पर बात कर रहे हैं। वरना हमारा बस चलता तो हम इनका हाथ थाम कर ये लाइव करते। बट ठीक है, चलिए कोई बात नहीं, आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Okay, he's in character. I don't know which character he is. This is not the man I've married, but he's still in character. I don't know how many times he said Mohtarma in this whole thing. Angad, okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going live. We wanted to have a celebration because this is 2 years of our wedding anniversary. Our celebration is to be here and celebrate with all of you. हम चाहते थे कि हम सब को मिले अपनी anniversary पर, and this is the best way to do it. Firstly and most importantly, I hope wherever all of you are watching us, whichever part of the world, all of you are safe, you're indoors, you're practicing social distancing, and you know,
and ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਮੁੱਛ ਤੇ ਦਾੜੀ ਹੈ, ਆਹੋ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਮੁੱਛਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਬੈਠਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰੇ, ਜਿਹਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੈਠੇ ਹਾਂ।
Amritpal is on the live. Amrit,
Ams, are you around?
whichever one of our friends is on the live, big shout out to all of them. So in case I just said shout out, big shout out to all of them.
Shout out
to all of them.
Relax karo, मैं ही हूं।
I'm so excited, Angad, to see you like this. ये जो social distancing हम घर में कर रहे हैं ना, that is the best part.
Yeah, देखो, we have taken it to another level. We are very, very serious about it. But people, whoever is out there, अपना ध्यान रखो। जेड़ी बंदा पंजाबी समझदा है, अपना ध्यान रखो। वरना जो हिंदी में सुनना चाहता है, अपना ध्यान रखिए। जो इंग्लिश में सुनना चाहता है, please look after yourself and your family.
Angad, you want some water?
And stay at home.
Okay.
Cheers.
Hi, Ma. Angad, your father-in-law and mother-in-law are on this live.
Commander Saab, Sat Shri Akal. Taran Mama ji, if you're around, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ happy Mother's Day, and I hope all of you people have wished all your beautiful mothers a very, very happy Mother's Day. And we want to wish my lovely wife also, who's a very lovely mother.
Hey Reeti, as soon as I keep seeing
a beautiful
friends.
daughter called Meher. Happy Mother's Day to you also, Mohtarma ji. Apart
Thank
from
you.
being, you know, my
Okay,
Valentine.
happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Happy
Okay,
anniversary.
Angad, it's very simple. I'm going to ask you questions, and you're going to answer them really quickly. First and most important thing is whatever. This is going to be like almost, you know, the code word. You're going to answer this in a way, whatever is the first thought that comes to your head. I'm going to play some games where I've got lots of questions that people have been sending in. If you still have questions, I will give you a cue and you can keep sending in questions and we'll ask Angad those questions as well. So Angad,
Commander Saab, मेरी मुझ कितना लग रही मुझ? Commander Saab, check my मुझ.
Angad, most importantly, I want to know what was going on in your head. What was the scariest part? What was going on in your head when you were taking those feras in the Gurdwara?
Honey, when I decided that I should be married to you and you should be my wife, there was nothing scary at all. In fact, I enjoyed our lovely small wedding, and I was very, very happy. In fact, even when I was taking that last fera, because I was getting married to the love of my life, which is you.
And is there anything scary now about being married to me?
नहीं, not at all. Except that थोड़ी बहुत, you know, तुसी थोड़ी खप ज़्यादा पांदे हो करे.
हाँ.
Kind of shout a bit too loudly. थोड़ा अपना volume कट करोगे तो फिर बंदा सुखी रह सकता है.
What is that? Okay, what are the things? Okay, I want to ask you, what are the things? And please don't hold back. These are all our friends, our family. उन सबको पता होना चाहिए. और my dad is saying बहुत changing mug. And Reeti has approved of your answer and said our default runner, who's also a friend of ours, who said that good answer. But now tell me, what are the things that you, I mean, hand on your heart, is that what are the things that you tolerate about me? But before I say that, Sophie is laughing about you saying volume cut.
I tolerate.
What are the things you tolerate about me?
Many things, yeah. You know, and I feel that that's what makes it a beautiful marriage. I think we are opposite people, so that's what makes it exciting. I'm sure there are many things you tolerate about me also. You know,
we'll come to that, but first you say what are the things you tolerate about me. Acha, tell me two things. Come on, baby, you can say two things at least.
Two things. One is कैसा सच्ची कर.
Say no, not that. But apart from that, थोड़ा सा सच से थोड़ा कम.
सच से थोड़ा कम क्या होता है? देखो दोस्तों, जो भी लाइव देख रहा है, या तो सच होनी चाहिए बात, या तो फिर बात नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो मैं सच्ची कर क्या था?
Say ना अंगद.
नहीं, एक था definitely I tolerate your loud volume. मतलब कि it's a bit higher on the decibel.
The new hashtag from this live is volume cut.
हाँ, volume cut. Hashtag volume cut. Volume cut माने for people who don't understand means less. ते दूजी गल less थोड़ा softly तुसी गाल कर सकते हो, because you know there's nothing in life that cannot be sorted by being soft and nice and tender. Second thing I tolerate about you is there's only one thing, honey. Otherwise, you are, you know, out of 10, you are 100. There's only one.
Okay, Angad. I want to ask you. You answered this question. Why not 100 करके बेइज्जती करके? What are the things that you think I tolerate about you?
That you answer, na, honey.
Yeah, that you don't listen.
Then you have to answer.
You never listen. If I tell you, Angad, यहाँ पे ये issue है, can you help me sort it out? You're like, कर दूंगा. Till the volume doesn't go up, you never listen. So I tolerate the fact कि तुम भी ढीठ हो ना, तुमको भी कम सुनाई देता है. Next question.
देखो.
अभी बोल दिया next question.
चलो next question तो ठीक है, लेकिन जो हमारे दोस्त लोग ये लाइव देख रहे हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि जो ऑडियंस है वो हमेशा गवाह होती है. I want to ask them, अगर बंदा पहले ही अगर आपके ऊपर कोई चीख चाड़ा पा के आपसे बात करे, तो आप फिर कैसे जवाब देंगे? आप obviously will go into your shell. तो चीख चाड़ा ना पाओ, प्यार नाल गल करो, ते सारे जवाब ले लो, है नहीं?
बहुत लोग गवाह हैं इस चैट पे. Your mother-in-law and father-in-law are there.
From today, you take an oath.
Okay.
Take a promise कि no चीख चाड़ा. Please say no चीख चाड़ा. No चीख चाड़ा. You have to say no चीख चाड़ा.
I'm saying, let's go back to the romance. Tell me if you had.
मैं गाना ला देना, पहले कह दे no चीख चाड़ा.
No चीख चाड़ा. Okay. And good. You also say you're going to listen to me the first time. Okay. I want to ask you. If you could relive one moment of knowing me, or which is that one moment or one day, what would it be if you could relive it?
यार मुझे बड़ा बुरा लगता है कि जब मेरी बारी आनी थी ना आपके साथ, तो वो टाइम पे तो खैर यूनिवर्स हमेशा it always conspires and brings two people together at the right time. I'm a very big firm believer in that. लेकिन मुझे लगा था कि एक ऐसा मौका था जब मैंने आपको देखा था तब आपके आसपास बड़े दोस्त यार थे बॉडीगार्ड्स की तरीके से, हमारी उतनी बातचीत हो नहीं पाई। आपको मेरी वैल्यू उस टाइम समझ नहीं आई कि मैं कितना प्यारा बंदा हूँ।
मेरे को वैल्यू हमेशा पता थी अंगद। मेरे को
आपको मेरी वैल्यू नहीं पता थी।
So you want to relive that? You want me to know
याद है
your
आपको?
value
आप चाइना
sooner?
हाउस में थे, याद है आपको? आप चाइना हाउस में थे, मैं भी शायद आगे पीछे कहीं घूम रहा था, इवेंट था, आपके काफी सारे दोस्त थे आपके आसपास, लेकिन वो मेल नहीं हो पाया, बातचीत नहीं हो पाई।
So you wish we were married earlier than this, sooner than this?
या अच्छा हो
Okay. I want to know.
2014 में हो जाती, 2014 में कर लेते आपसे शादी।
Somebody's asking us, I'm going to keep taking questions. Somebody's asking us, are you both in the same house right now? Yes, we both are in the same house right now, but we're celebrating our anniversary with the two of you. That's why we're having a conversation with each other and you. And for people who are asking, where's Meher? This is Meher's dinner time, and that's why we've taken 30 minutes off to do this live with each and every one of you. Okay, now we're on the topic of Meher, Angad. What is the one quality you think of yours that Meher should not get?
Honey, she should get no quality of mine. She should have all the qualities of yours. Only yours.
No.
मैं केड़ा बंदा, मैं कौन आज? मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਹੱਥ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਖੜਾ।
Pinpoint one quality.
ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਡਾਟਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਹੋਣ, I feel they should all be like you. She should be a carbon copy of you. मैं ਤਾਂ छोटा बंदा।
Are you saying this out of love or are you saying this because you're on a live, Angad? Come on.
No, I'm saying it out of love. I'm saying it, I really mean it. You know? I really mean it. I think she should have all qualities just like you. She should be just like you. Only then, because then I want to see, if she's just like you, then I want to see that war between you and
then there'll be Rolla. Angad, you have a problem with volume. If she turns around and becomes like me, there's going to be Rolla between her and me, and then you're going to suffer the most.
No.
But it's not about me. I want to know which one.
I just want to watch it. I
Get.
want to watch that first fight of disagreement, that argument, which can be borderline into a fight. I want to watch that argument between you and her.
Somebody just wrote saying the best Insta live ever. Thank you. We love you. The point is we want to celebrate with you, and very shortly we'll be opening this to everyone. Please send in your questions as soon as I cue you, because I want to read all the questions so I can ask Angad this. Okay, and then if you're speaking about fights, see, I don't want to know about the love and the good stuff and all of that. If you're going to speak about fights, tell me who fights more and who's the one who says sorry between you and me.
देखो, साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੜਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਚ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ पता होगा। चलो, आउट ऑफ जितने बंदे ये लाइव देख रहे हैं, मेरे जैसे मैं आया हूँ तो मैं नंबर देख रहा हूँ 101212, अब 101901, जितने भी लाइव देख रहे हैं, आप बताइए कि हम दोनों में से लड़ाई कौन ज्यादा कर सकता है, कौन कर सकता है?
Angad, you're not answering any of my questions. You need to answer the question and tell me who fights more and who says sorry. If you don't answer,
fight more.
I'm asking the question myself and answering all
you
of
said to keep the answer cut to cut na. You fight more and I say sorry. कहना पैंदा, मैं तो सवेरे उठ के कहना जी सॉरी, बिना कोई गलती करे मैं कहना सॉरी। दिन कटना अपने घर च सॉरी।
सवेरे when do you wake up? सवेरे
उठ के मैं कहना सॉरी।
सवेरे उठ के मैं कहना सॉरी,
जिद्दां ही रात को कहना सॉरी, ते सवेरे भी कहना सॉरी, ते दोपहरी भी कहना सॉरी, बस।
Oh my God.
My name is Sorry Singh Bedi.
Okay, fine, Angad. If you think that you are the one, that I'm the one who fights and you're the one who says sorry, guys, I just want you to record this piece of information that this is a lie. Somebody just said Neha fight. I don't know if you're saying that I fight or I should put up a fight for this, but whatever it is, I'm just listening to all of you reading comments and I'm in shock that this live Neha can't fight. Right now you're fighting. Hey buddy, high five to that comment. High five. Okay, Angad, this is the lockdown. this is the first time you and I have spent so much time together. Tell me, what have you, is there anything new that you have noticed about me that you hadn't noticed in the first 1 year and like 10 months of being married to me?
Yeah, first when I wasn't married to you, I felt like कि यार
No, after marriage.
Even when I was not married, after marriage also, I felt that, कि दिन में I used to really want to spend all my time with you. I still do. In fact, I'm really loving this lockdown for one of the few reasons is that I get to spend a lot of time with you and Meher. And I really value that. अच्छा, hold my seriousness keeping out of the window. When I got married to you, I felt that 24 hours in a day are less. And what has changed is I feel after marriage and this lockdown, I feel 24 hours in a day are way too much.
What? You just said you want to spend all your time with me. Now you're saying 24 hours are too much. Guys, can you please listen to this man? He's so inconsistent. 1 second I was going on this. Whoa.
करता है मेरा ये तेनू लेके देना रानी हारनी.
Okay, Angad, very nice. I know you love looking at yourself, and that's exactly what you're doing right now. But there are a lot of people who are, everybody is locked in. All married couples are locked in with their spouse. What is a piece of advice that you want to give them? Because I know कि वहाँ पे भी उनके घर में भी बैठ के बहुत लड़ाई झगड़े हो रहे हैं छोटी-छोटी बातों पे. What is your advice?
एक चुप.
Shanu Sharma is on the line. Hey Shanu, please. Angad is lying. Can you just stop him? Karan, hi. Can you say hi to Karan and Shanu?
Karan is on the
yes,
chat.
Because he's going to check in and check out very quickly. So quickly say hi to both of them.
Hi KJ, hi Shanu, love you lots. Thank you for joining in. Yes, ek chup te 100 sukh.
That is your piece of advice to people who are locked in right now, couples who are locked in.
Yes. That is like, you have to have the strategy. The strategy should be in place. It's like, you have to disarm it before it gets into a situation.
Okay. Just record this. ये वाली जो मैं clip है ना, ये save करके पक्का भेज दूँगी. Okay, Okay, fine. So now Karan is intrigued by what I'm wearing. Karan, I'm wearing a dress after very long. I can't like tilt down and show you because I'm a mess. But ये live के लिए मैं बस इतना ही तैयार हुई हूँ. I've only worn earrings and I've only worn इधर तक सही सलामत कपड़े. उसके बाद सब जगह हल्दी के दाग लगे हुए. तो हम tilt down तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेंगे और दिखाएंगे भी नहीं. Okay. I
can't see Karan though talking on this chat. I don't know. I can see Shano, but I can't see Karan. But anyways, I guess he's.
Okay. I'm going to play a really quick game with you, and it's called Never Have You Ever. So you have to tell me no, I have or I haven't. And for every answer that you give wrong, you have to do a house chore. Not that you don't help. Everybody listening, he's lovely as far as helping in house chores is concerned because he does a lot of work. But he can do more. So are you ready for the first game?
Yeah.
Okay. Never have you ever lied to me saying, baby, you look so good, when in your head you thought I was not looking good?
I have never lied to you. Ever.
Jhoot. Okay.
ये मैं तुम्हारी आंखों में देख के कह रहा हूँ directly. I have never lied to you ever.
Okay. Fine. Man, अभी तक कोई घर का काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Second is, never have you finished a show behind my back after me telling you, Anga, don't watch it, but you've gone ahead and watched it.
I have not finished a show. Maybe I must have seen that episode.
Yeah, which could be the concluding episode, but you have finished it.
No.
Might as well say it.
I have never. Yeah.
Never have you ever, even in your worst moment, gone and said anything terrible about me behind my back to your friends, saying कि यार बस.
मैं तो रोज कहना जी रोज. एक ही गल है रोज कहना रोज.
पता था. अब इसके लिए घर के काम करने पड़ेंगे. All right. Never have you ever walked out of the house wearing my sunglasses?
Of course I won. क्योंकि साडे कोल तां पैसे है नहीं, ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਅਫੋर्ड महंगी चीज़ां कर नहीं सकते। तो बेसिकली बड़ी महंगी होती है यार ये सब डिजाइनर वेयर। कभी कभी हमें मौका नहीं मिलता, तो व्हेन नेहा इज नॉट अराउंड मैं कभी कभी पहन लेता हूँ।
एक के लिए कल सुबह उठ के सारा काम करना पड़ेगा, एक के लिए परसों उठ के सारा काम करना पड़ेगा। नेवर हैव यू एवर चेक माय फोन बिहाइंड योर बैक, बिहाइंड माय बैक?
नहीं, I've checked your phone यार many times.
Yeah, that's what good husbands do.
क्योंकि मैंने वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि I check your phone only कि what have you replied to your mother-in-law, so I check your phone for that कि मेरी माँ को
or the lack of reply, or the lack of reply. I think you check.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh my God, we are really letting the cat out of the bag. Never have you ever pretended to sleep when I was talking?
Honey, I don't need to pretend. मैं उतना ही सो जाना. Sorry यार.
And never have you ever lied to me. Never have you ever lied to me about anything.
What?
Anything, could be anything.
देखो हमारी जो जिंदगी रही है ना आपके साथ या आपके सामने या बिना आपके, आपसे पहले आपके बात तो होएगी नहीं कभी, क्योंकि आप ही हैं और आप ही रहेंगी. हमारी जिंदगी खुली किताब.
याद आ जाता है.
खुली किताब. Yeah.
Well, Angad, I have to say that you have signed yourself up for 4 days of all household chores starting tomorrow onwards after our first game. So congratulations, Neha. You're doing very well for yourself. You don't have to move a limb starting tomorrow onwards for the next 4 days. Are you ready for the next game?
अगर काम शांति में होगा तो मैं पूरे लॉकडाउन जब तक होगा मैं घर आपके लिए साफ करने के लिए तैयार हूँ, लेकिन शांति.
लेकिन शांति, क्योंकि एक तो मैं 11 बजे तक उठूंगा नहीं, उसके बाद जो तुम्हें सुबह की कॉफी चाहिए 9 बजे वो मैं दे दूंगा 4 बजे दोपहर तक.
देखिए हमें आप एक कप चाय पिला दे दिन में बस.
Oh, guys, I just want to tell you this whole bus, and then my dad's favorite Punjabi thing to say is "Santa nu swada naal ki." This whole pretend that my husband keeps doing that he's a simple man is all a lie. ये जो है ना कि मेरे को शांति चाहिए, बस शांति के साथ और बहुत कुछ चाहिए. Okay. Angad, are you ready? Are you ready for our next game?
बिल्कुल तैयार है चाटा.
This is a very simple game because you're such a loving dad. I have lots of things in this bag and it's a memory game. I'm going to take out these objects and guys feel free to help whoever is on the live right now. You have to tell me what these objects are in the right order. In the order I take it out.
I have to.
Remember the object. Imagine.
Just repeat your question. Sorry, I was too busy looking at myself.
What's new? We are going to the park. Not if, but when the lockdown opens. Okay, let me take this again. When the lockdown opens, we're going to be going to the park, and this is a game. This is Meher's bag when she goes to the park, and I'm going to take out objects, and you have to tell me in the right order what these were. So this is a memory game.
ठीक है, करते हैं कोशिश. रोज तो चीजें तुसी चेंज कर देने हो.
1.
So what do you want to tell me about this? What should I say?
Just say ball. You just have to remember them in the right order. This is Meher's bag. I'm going to take out things from Meher's bag.
Okay, ball.
Ball.
Diaper. Water bottle. Bib.
Okay.
Hathi. What do you call him? Hathi.
Elephant. Yeah, elephant.
Oh, the most important thing. The mask.
Mask. This is a mask. If you have to go to the park, when it all opens up.
Sanitizer.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope all of you remember all the objects.
Banana.
Kela.
Banana.
Okay.
Banana.
Okay. And this? Tissues.
Oh, tissue.
Okay. So now you have to
TU.
tell me.
TU.
So this is your memory game. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 objects, and tell me in the right order.
Ball.
Okay.
Diaper.
Well done.
Water bottle.
Well done.
Bib.
Well done, Angad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go. That's it. Come on. What was the fifth object? For
Bib.
everybody helping, he has to say it in the right order. Someone just wrote it really well. Meghna as well wrote it. Meg's X wrote it. Reeti, default runner, wrote it. Lots of people are writing it in the right order right now.
Elephant.
Oh, well done, guys. You're all helping him.
No, nobody's helping me. Elephant.
Okay. 4 more to go.
Elephant. केला.
केला तो होने वाला है क्योंकि केले के पहले भी चीजें थी.
चलो, मुझे पता है क्या है. Sanitizer, केला, tissue.
Yes, but you missed just one. You said सबसे important है ये.
हाँ, mask.
Well done. So there's mask, but not in the right order. All you missed was the mask, and then I got sanitizer, and I've got a kela, जो नहीं हुआ आज इस game में. Dia is also helping. Hi, Dia. You're helping, and you're continuously your team Angad, huh? Guys, and tissue. Well done. Bag medals. Bag for the park, and hopefully when the lockdown opens, we'll be going there. Now, what we're opening is questions. Everybody, please feel free to ask questions. Whatever you'd like to ask us. I have a few questions, Angad. I also have names of people who've sent these questions in.
Ask. I love you, Dia.
I love you, Dia. Very quickly, Angad, these are all people who've been sending in questions, so we have to take them. They've been sending in questions since yesterday. I know that there have been lots of questions coming in, guys, but we have time to take up very, very few. Surbi.gupta.kkr3 has said, how you make him fall in love with
brother, run!
Hey, Ron! What's up? Ron, sorry
Ah.
I missed your call. I'm going to call you back. I'm really sorry. Surbi.gupta.kkr3 wants to know how you make him fall in love with you so badly.
तो जवाब तो आपको देना पड़ेगा ना.
मुझे नहीं मालूम ना. मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया.
देखो, how you know, she has a beautiful ability to you know, ये रुस जाती हैं जब थोड़ा इनका मूड खराब होता है, चिल्लाती हैं, और अचानक से वो जो मूड है वो अगर आप सॉरी बोल दो ना.
Send your question, please answer. Run, I can't see the question.
अगर आप सॉरी बोल दो ना तो फिर ये हंस जाती हैं और ये मान जाती हैं. तो आई थिंक दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल, बड़ी अच्छी अदाएं है इनकी. हाँ जी.
Acha. Okay, then there's somebody else who wants to know, that's Sutarsha.datta wants to know, apart from tea, what is the most delicious thing that you can make for me?
I can, तो फिर आप बताओ ना ये.
I just got Ranvijay's question also. This is so Ran. I have to take his question soon after. Okay.
Shravan.
Apart from tea, guys, I have to say that today I will post a picture tomorrow as a Mother's Day gift and an anniversary present. Angad cooked breakfast for me. I had zero expectations and I almost felt like I was sitting, you know, and some master chef was serving me. He didn't even have to try. Not like he's been cooking all these days, but he's got a knack of like making things flavorful.
I got a knack of doing a lot many other things. I got a knack of doing a lot many other things.
Like what?
Very nicely.
Ranvijay is also saying, love you, Angad. No love coming my way. Ranvijay has a question for you.
Run, brother, run.
Angad, take the question. He says, how awesome is Ranvijay?
Oh, he is like, you know, he is the most awesome guy. Like, honestly, like, he's self-made. He's a roadie.
He's, had a career over almost 16, 17 years. I really look up to him. If I ever had a brother, I wish it was Ranvijay. Reason being is that हमारे industry में बहुत सारे stars हैं, but the kind of following he's had, for what he stands for, what he means, he's not come from any affluency of any background. He's just, worked his way up, and I feel that जो stardom हमारे biggest superstars को मिलती है, मैंने कभी किसी के टैटूज, रणविजय के जो चेहरा है रन का, मैंने लोगों के बैक पर देखे, उनकी आर्म्स पर देखे, रणविजय का नाम देखा है रिसेंटली.
Angad, stop! Angad, this is what he does. He's a pro at making things about himself. Very
It's okay.
slyly. With one
Honey,
question, he's taken
okay.
this away.
It's okay, because you also have the same ability.
I
You
know.
make things.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah,
So why
he's
not?
going on and on. Yeah, and you have
एक म्यान में दो तलवारें रह सकती हैं, क्यों नहीं?
रहती हैं.
रणविजय is a cool guy, I like him.
He's still Mamu to Meher, so it's fine.
He might
okay.
just change and
There's
become Taya. He's also a Taya.
Mahanur_Kadri is a very fun question. He's like, ask him how many times he lied to you, and has he ever felt that, uff, kahan fas gaye hum yaar?
वो फंस गए रे ओबामा, तो आपकी पिक्चर थी ना.
But he wants to know, are you feeling like, oh, kahan fas gaye hum?
आप फंसी हैं, मैं फंसा हूँ.
No,
मैं तो नहीं फंसा. मैं तो आपसे शादी करना चाहता था, मैंने करी. मुझे आपसे इतनी खूबसूरत डॉटर मिली है मेहर. अब इससे आदमी और क्या चाहेगा?
Okay, Angad, and right before we go, there's a lovely question. Love you, brother. He's saying he's forever going to be Mamu. So I don't know what I did. I was like flying kiss, and then I did like a thing. I was going to do like, and I got like confused. Yeah, whatever. So there's Divs_68 who wants to ask you that.
Hi, I am Chinkster. What's up? I like those eyes. Nice, cool. Yeah, Chinkster is on. थोड़ा फ्लर्ट करना पड़ता है यार. कल को चिंगस्टर ने मुझे साइन कर लिया तो फिर करना पड़ेगा ना कुछ. परफॉर्मेंस तो देनी पड़ेगी.
मतलब के लिए प्यार मत दो ना, अंदर से आना चाहिए ना. हर एक के लिए सबके
अंदर से मेरा प्यार अंदर से ही आता है. वो तो अलग बात है कि जो चीज लोग सोच रहे थे वो बोलते नहीं, मैं बोल देता हूँ.
I think I saw Varun on the live, but I wasn't sure, so I don't want to say hi to him. जब तक मेरे को पक्का नहीं मालूम if he was on the live or not. There's Divs_68 who wants to know how's your life changed after becoming a dad.
It has, it's been beautiful, honestly. After not just becoming a dad, but also I feel that after I got married to you, I feel my life has changed from there. If Meher is in my life, it's because of you. I feel that you have brought in a lot of happiness, a lot of love. You brought in a lot of security. You have also, वो कहते हैं ना, इंसान जब सही रास्ते पर चल जाता है, और अगर वो आदमी की जहाँ शादी होती है, पता है वो सही जगह कब कहलाती है? जब आदमी तरक्की पर निकल जाए. और जब से मेरी आपसे शादी हुई है, मैं काफी ठीक ठाक तरक्की पर निकल चुका हूँ. And I feel that, yes, apart from owing my success to my mom and my dad a lot for bringing me in this world, I would like to owe all my success from whatever work I've done.
Someone just said solid makhan. सही बोला.
To you. मक्खन की बात ही नहीं है. 2 साल अगर आदमी आपको टॉलरेट कर रहा है, 2 साल, और अब तो लॉकडाउन में भी आपको टॉलरेट कर रहा है, तो मक्खन लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
हाँ, तो फिर इतनी देर से तो मैं यही पूछ रही थी, तो तुम भाषण देने लग गए.
भाषण नहीं, मैं अपनी दिल की बात कर रहा हूँ. अपने दिल की.
A lot of people are saying, why are we not together, guys? This is for the first time ever. You may have seen many lives, but if somebody is hosting a live and somebody is answering the questions, ऐसे हो सकता है कि वो इस समय पे एक साथ प्रकट हो जाए.
और मैं नहीं प्रकट होना, मैं थे ठीक.
Come inside, let's say bye.
अच्छा, उधर आवा.
हाँ, तो प्रकट होने का क्या मतलब?
चलो प्रकट हो जाते हैं.
Come soon.
बड़ा काम करना पड़ता है.
You can disconnect, Angad. You can disconnect. Are you coming with your phone?
फोन लेके आ जाते हैं. ये देखो, ये best mom ever. She's actually also the best wife ever. उचित करता है मेरा ये. मैं सही कुछ लिखा है? Oh, what's up, yo? मैं अपने लाइफ से तुम्हारे लाइफ पर आ रहा हूँ, अपनी लाइफ से तुम्हारी लाइफ में आ रहा हूँ.
Welcome to our life.
तो मैं यहाँ से बंद कर दूँ कि यहाँ से चलो मैं अपने वहां से लीव कर चुका हूँ और यहाँ मैं प्रकट हो चुका हूँ, लैंड कर चुका हूँ। और बताओ यार दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल, कौन क्या बोल रहा है?
Well, guys, that was us celebrating our second anniversary with all of you. अच्छा ठीक है, जोर से नहीं, वॉल्यूम कम करना है। बहुत कुछ सीखा है मैंने। As you know, my husband is perfect, and as you know, I have many flaws, and that is what I have come to know after this. And किसी ने सही बोला था, जब मन करे तब मक्खन मार देता है, जब मन नहीं करे then फट जाता है, कुछ भी बोल देता है। But having said that, अब नेम ऐड, अब हमें ऐड करो। ओहो, कैसे ऐड कर रही है? अभी तो हो गया ना लाइव आज के लिए।
देखो Inside Edge की कितनी तारीफ हो।
Thank you very much, guys, for all the love. Lot of people have praised Inside Edge. Lot of people have wished us on our anniversary. Lot of people have sent hearts. Lot of people sending hearts, love. Thank you very much, guys. Papa, bye. We'll call you on WhatsApp in some time. And for the rest of you, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Love to each and every one of you. Thank you for joining in and celebrating our anniversary with us.
तो मैं ਹੁਣ शांत रहा क्योंकि सारी गल तो ਤੁਸੀਂ कहती है।
बाय बोल दो, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी तुम भी बोल दो।
चलो ध्यान रखो जी, सत श्री अकाल। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। लाओ जटका बोले सोनिया।
सत श्री अकाल।
थैंक यू, अपना ध्यान रखो in this lockdown, stay safe and just hang in there. We'll all come through, we'll pull through. Shakti.